Okay. And amala, a vegetarian food paradise. What is popping, ladies and gentlemen? How are you doing? I go by name Committee and you guys welcome to LMA TV. Right about now, guys, we are going to be reacting to Oste. And guys, listen, I'm wondering, why haven't I seen this video since? How is that even possible that me did not see this video since? DJ Washan, you guys know, like, DJ Washan is my main G. Like, almost everything has been dropping, I've been reacting to it, and I've not seen it. And jesi lyngdoh, you guys, I love this girl because she can sing, she can rap. Bro, I have not reacted to their shit for so much long time. Was Kaido Alessandra Kaiji. So right about now, guys, without talking too more, let's get to the video. But before we do that, guys, let's turn. I beg. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please take out your time. It will not cost you nothing. It costs you absolute $0 to hit that subscribe buttons right now. Okay, smash that like button as well. Go to the link in the description. Follow me on IG, and you understand, guys. Please follow me on IG, and guys, please go and subscribe to my second channel. So with that being said, I'm being done right now. Let's get to this video right now. Oste, DJ Washan, let's go. And of course, one of you told me to react to this video. So yeah, that's why I'm reacting to it. So let's go. And amala, a vegetarian food paradise. I feel like this restaurant, it belongs to a Nigerian. Amala is a Nigerian meal. They now put N and amala. And amala. Amala is Nigerian meal. A vegetarian food paradise. Sounds familiar. But no problem. Let's go and pump. Sometimes all this drama in music videos, I don't like it. I just want you to get to the music. Come on. Get to the music, would you? What's going on? Because this is DJ Washan, this is why I'm trying to be as calm as possible. DJ Washan is in this music video. Oste. Okay, is Oste a special invitation? Oste. Okay, is Oste. Okay, Oste. What's the meaning of Oste, guys? Tell me in the comment section. Get DJ Washan. Just a little bit. Okay. One. Danny Bad Boy. Okay.
I've been waiting for you, but you wanna say that I'm too much for you. Young, hey, do
anytime I try to watch this,
I really don't care
I don't know if that's my internet, but please, my village people, when I'm trying to watch this video right now, please, DJ Washan is in this video. Let me watch it in peace. Okay. I'm waiting for that DJ Washan drop. Hey. Okay. Hold up a minute. I didn't know the song is bad. Oh my god. No, I had no idea. DJ Washan, I see what. See, DJ Washan is supposed to be an international DJ. You hear that song? Hey, God of mercy. What? Wait, how haven't I reacted to this song since? Why didn't I see this song? Nah, no, I can't believe this.
All you left to say.
Song is on point, video is on point, choreography is on point, and the DJ is on point. What's up? Nobody can do it like DJ Washan. A huge shout out to jesi lyngdoh. You know, I want to hear the rest. I really love her, honestly. She's really good. She can rap, she can sing. I love her dressing, the way she dressed. Like, bro, she's just literally that one person from Northeast India that can do it all. Honestly, like a huge shout out to Jesi. honestly, I have no complaints about the video at all. I have no complaints about the song. Everything is on point. I want to hear. I just hope that every other artist that is being featured on this song will not spoil this song. Please don't spoil this song, because this song is a banger. And guys, please do not forget what is the meaning of Oste. And if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button right now, guys. Hit it right now. Okay?
Young, hey, you wanna get back to the old days? Hey, yo, you're happy, yeah, cause I've been waiting for you, but you wanna blame me for your trouble. Young, hey, I really don't care, you don't care.
Let's go.
Tell me I'm wrong, but I got some questions all night long. Don't be what you said there is so much better. All you left to say, stay.
No, song bad. Oh God.
Let's go.
Come on, let's go indeed. Let's go. I'm ready.
Yeah, right. We be arguing like day night.
Bro, guys, listen. I have to know what is meaning of Oste. Somebody tell me right now. I have to know. Please.
Don't care if you were leaving tonight. So whatever, baby, got you on bed.
I really don't care. You really don't care. You don't care. You tell me I'm wrong, but I got some questions all night long. Don't be doing it. Shano Pija.
I love that part. Shano Pija. Somebody tell me what that shit means. I need to know.
Shano Pija, but no, we don't want to sit there. Someone's there. All you have to say,
I have to know how many views does this video have. Like, I just have to know. Honestly, I just have to know. 5 million views. 5 million views. This video should just have 5 million views. And this video was dropped last year, 2021. Bro, first of all, this video should have at least 20 million views or 25 million views now. Secondly, why and where? Why didn't I see this video since to react to it? Since 2021. God damn. Bro, you that told me to react to this video, I've forgotten where your comment is. I forgot, the day I saw your comment, I screenshotted it and I liked the video, and I forgot. If not, I would have just given you a shout out. If you're the one that told me to react to this video, tell me in the comment section and I will pin you. That's right. I will pin your comment and give you a huge shout out. This song hits hard. Like, honestly, thank you for this. I really appreciate it. Everything about DJ Washan, one love. I love DJ Washan. The guy is good, honestly. Which part of Northeast India is DJ Washan from? I would really love it. It's just a good music, honestly. Anybody from around the world will really enjoy it. I'm enjoying it right now. And DJ Washan is so fresh. This guy must be so rich. DJ Washan, send me money, please. Send me money.
Here we go with that.
That's right about it. We just came to the end of the video. Once again, my name is Jingrwai. Oste DJ Washan featuring Eddie Lyngdoh. And like jesi Lyngdoh was Kaido Alessandra, pronounce that by yourself. and Danny bad boy. So with that being said, guys, I love you, but God loves you more. If guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. Yes, I'm out.